NDLS Stock Analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Noodles and Company stock is a buy or not for me. It's good 30% increase in price. I mean, I'm a big fan of and proponent of, yeah, like this beautiful, I mean, I'm not a proponent, but like, yeah, the price has just been picking up. But the reality ultimately comes down that the higher time frame bias on this is just, bro, like, it must break for like once at least here, man. I mean, come on. I know like it's a weekly pullback, but it must happen in order for me to count this as something bullish. Now, I think that I even have my drawings here on the chart. Oh, actually, I don't. So that kind of is sucky. But I'm not looking at it from a bullish lens unless we start breaking above this high like 142, you know? So even with like as we're sitting there, if there is a double break, then and only then I'm going to take things low. So yeah, that's how NDLS looks like. This confirmation part here. If it starts breaking up, this is getting diluted, so I'm keeping up. It just needs to actually do so. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and easy way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.